Hello everyone. In this video, we will draw a graph of linear equation in two variables. We know the word linear indicates that the graph has to be a line. If we actually do plot the solutions of linear equation and join them, what we get is a line. That means all the solutions of linear equation in one variable are collinear. And the converse of this is that all the points on that line are actually solution of that linear equation. So every solution lies on that line and all the points are the solutions. And as it represents a line, we call it a linear equation. Let's plot this linear equation to variable x plus y is equal to 5 on the graph paper here. So what will be the solution? If x is equal to 0, y will be 5. So x is, this is x, is 0 here. Y would be 5. So the point would be here. This is your point. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5. If y is equal to 0, x is 5. So y 0 means here x is 5. So this is our point. And now if we join these 2 points, we will get this line. If we join these 2 points, we'll get this line. And now as we said that all the solutions of this equation must lie on this line. So let's check. If x is equal to 2, y would be 3. So if x is equal to 2, y would be 3. 1, 2, 3. And yes, we get the point, correct point. If x is equal to 3, y will be 2. So if x is equal to 3, y would be 2. Yes, we are again getting a point here. If y is 2, what would be x? X would be 3. So y 2, x 3. That's correct. If x is equal to 4, y would be 1. X is equal to 4. So on horizontal line it is 4. Y would be 1. And if x is equal to 1, y is 4. So x 1, y is 4. So what we see is that all the solutions of this linear equation lies on this line. And similarly, we can also find out. So if we, let's say we don't know the solution and we click on this point and we say this point is 2, 3, x2, y3. We can check whether it is a solution of this equation, and it is. Let's talk about parallel lines. Now, if you see, this line is parallel to the y-axis or the vertical axis. It is parallel to the vertical axis or y-axis. And now what are the points here? What is the coordinate of this point here? This point, the coordinate are x is 3 and y is 5. X is 3 and y is 5. What are the coordinates of this point here? The coordinates of this point are x is 3 and y is 4. For this point, still the x distance is 3 and y is 3. For this point, x is 3, y is 2. Let's talk about this point here. X is still 3, y has changed to -2, but x is still 3. So if you see here, the x coordinate of any point on this line is always 3, whereas the y coordinate is changing. So as the line extend indefinitely, y can have indefinite values, but always the x value will be 3 only. And hence the equation of such a line is given as x is equal to 3. So y can be anything. So there is no constraint on y. Y can be anything, but x is always 3. But how can I say that this is a linear equation in two variables. I agree that the equation of this line is x is equal to 3, but how can we say that this is a linear equation in two variables? That's because this is x plus 0y is equal to 3. So the coefficient of y is 0. So y's value can be anything. It can be 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus, or any number multiplied by 0 is going to give us 0, and hence finally what we are left with is x is equal to 3. And so x is equal to 3 is a linear equation in two variable, and the property of this line is that this is parallel to y-axis. So the variable which is not present here, that axis, this line is parallel. And so what happens if I have a line y is equal to 2? The variable absent is x, so that means this line has to be parallel to x-axis, and it should pass through 2, y is equal to 2, which means this point plus 2, and so this line will be parallel to x-axis here. So let's draw that line, and hence y is equal to 2 is this line. Y is equal to parallel to x-axis passing through 2. Y is equal to 2. So whenever we get equations in this format, we know that they are parallel lines and they are parallel to the axis whose variable is absent here.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the QTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.